Greetings! Today we're starting a new YouTube channel. This will be great. We're going to talk about AI, modern. You can't not talk about AI these days. We're going to talk about computing, we're going to talk about technology, economics, sometimes politics, how it all connects together. So we're going to talk about life, but from a little specific angle of technology. I mean, basically, how uh, life is impacted by technology. So that's going to be my channel. This isn't a channel to make money. This is the channel for me to connect with people. Technology makes it possible. I don't need a huge production. I have thoughts. I like to share them. Videos are great. So what today we're going to talk about AI, but not about AI in general. What I want to do today is demystify AI. I want you to understand that AI is not mystical, it's not a clever parlor trick, it's a technology, it's an algorithm, powerful, clever, but still, it's not a new life form. So, let's talk about what AI really is based on. AI is based on math, on mathematics. If you haven't studied mathematics or you don't like it, good for you, but AI is using math. Moreover, the math it's using started, guess when? 18th century. Some can argue 16th, but let's, or 17th, let's go by around 17th, 18th century. That's where the math that AI is based on started at. Doesn't mean that what those old guys have written is just what AI does, but the foundation, the scientific foundation on what AI is based at started then. So that's what happened. And it's not a bad thing. Most of what you do today, most of what you study today at school or at college about math is roughly ends at about 17th, if you're lucky, 18th century. Most of what we did was to advance it or find a clever use for it and solve certain problems that were posited then and we just took 300 years to solve. But that's how science progresses, and that's what it is. So, what changed is that we got a technology to make it massively scalable. We got cheap storage and compute, so we made it available to everyone. So now you can go to ChatGPT or to Claude desktop, ask a question, ask it to write you an essay, and it will do that for you. I'm not going to go into is it cheating or not, but just about what AI is capable of. How AI does it. How that piece of code knows how to write an essay or your homework or some scientific thing. It's pretty simple. All it knows is how to complete text. That's all. The large language models, or LLMs, that's a term you hear a lot these days, only know how to complete text. So it's effectively a glorified version of your phone autocomplete. It's way more clever, way more capable. But at the end of the day, it knows which text goes after which text together with what text. Sorry, I'm using word text a lot, but that's what it works with. So if I'm explaining AI to you, I need to operate with the same thing. By the way, same applies to coding. When it helps you write a computer program, it treats it as text because the computer program is text. It's in a weird language. It's not obvious, but it is a text. There are certain words that don't go together with certain other words and go well together with other words. And this is the syntax, and this is the punctuation. These are the rules. So if it follows these rules, it can write you a crime novel, it can write you an essay, What Have I Done Last Summer, or it can write you a code in Python. Doesn't matter to it. That's what the basic of AI is. So to complete today's the video, main takeaway I'd like you to take. A, AI is not magic. B, AI is not a new life form. C, AI is a very clever algorithm based on extraordinarily complex and interesting math. that enables it to do what it does, as in complete text, answer your questions, and do whatever else you ask it to do. But at the end of the day, that's the only thing it knows how to do. So don't be afraid of AI. Don't be kind of frozen in your tracks when you say, oh my God, I need to learn AI or whatnot. It's not. It's a tool. Clever, capable, great, but it's a tool. So learn it, understand it. You don't need to understand absolutely everything behind it to be proficient with it. Learn how to use it. Always helps if you know how something functions to use it well. But I'll leave it up to you. So leave comments to this podcast. Tell me what you like to hear next. Tell me what subjects interest you. Subscribe to my Substack where I write in a great detail about these things. The link is in this description of this channel. Have a great day. Bye.